everyone, how are you? Welcome to your English class. This is your English grammar class. This is part 2 of sentence lesson number 1, sentence. So I open your book and take pen and notebook, also a new notebook. Okay, the first chapter sentence. You have to open a Grammarite book and the first chapter, page number 1. You have to open page number 1, and then after page number 2, book exercise, you have to write in your notebook book exercise. First of all, the definition of grammar. So subject lesson, subject grammar. Lesson number 1, sentence, and the definition: a group of words that conveys complete sense. That conveys complete sense. Or for example, the children are playing in the field. The children are playing in the field. Next example, we had a 3-course meal. We had a 3-course meal. I'll send the pic of this paper. And types of sentence: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, next imperative sentence, and next exclamatory sentence. So there are 4 types of sentence. Number 1, declarative sentence. What is declarative sentence? A sentence that makes a statement. A sentence that makes a statement is called a declarative sentence. Okay, statement: I am going to school. I am going to school. So it is a statement. Next, they are playing snakes and ladders. So this is also a statement. Imperative sentence. Next, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence: a sentence that gives a command or makes a request. Command or request. It's so simple to learn command and request. Imperative sentence: only command and request. Please close the door when you leave the room. Please close the door when you leave the room. Don't waste food. Don't waste food. Please means request, and don't waste food, it's a statement like a command. Okay, so statement for the declarative and affirmative. So it's so simple to learn. I hope you are getting. So next, तो हम यहाँ next करेंगे. Next, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence: a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. जिसमें क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. क्वेश्चन मार्क, सिंपल सा है, क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा हो वो इंट्रोगेटिव होता है. Who is the girl sitting in the classroom? Who is the girl sitting in the classroom? Next, question mark. A question mark is compulsory. So next, like this question mark. The question mark. Next, where is the boy who was playing tennis? Where is the boy who was playing tennis? So there is question mark. Next, exclamatory sentence. It's very easy because of exclamation sign. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. It's called a exclamatory sentence. For example, what a lovely day. What a lovely day it has been. What a lovely day it has been. And in the last, it is exclamation mark. Yes, it is exclamation. What a great sight the rainbow is. What a great sight the rainbow is. So this is a exclamatory sign. Okay, so exclamatory sentence is very easy because of exclamatory sign and interrogative sign. Interrogative question mark. So this is exercise of book exercise. So open your page number 2. Page number 2, open it, and after that, for each of these sentence, write whether the highlighted words is a subject, verb or object. Gradually summer opened the door. Open is the verb, so verb, write here verb. Ritu tickled the dragon with a feather. So write here what is the dragon. Dragon word, what is the dragon word according to grammar? So write here subject, verb or object. Okay. So write here, and I have done 3. Write here 2. It's very easy if you can, so you can do it. Just do it and try to complete. Okay. And next exercise, this is a mango tree. So convert the sentence into statement or question. If it is statement, so you have to convert question, and if it is a question, so you have to convert into statement. This is a mango tree, so it is there is no question mark, so it is statement also. So I have to write is, first of all, is and this. Is this a mango tree? I am going to OT. Am I going to OT, or of you have to question mark at the end of the sentence. You have to add question mark at the end of a sentence. She is a good friend. So is she a good friend? Shall we play hide and seek? So shall we play hide and seek? It is a question, not a statement. So we have to write we shall, because of there is a question mark. So we shall play hide and seek, like this. We are going to the fair today. We are going to the fair today. Okay, and you have to complete this exercise and write in your notebook, in your new notebook. Okay, and it's very easy to do. So complete your work. Next, question tag. Question tag are short question used at the end of a statement to ask for confirm. To ask for confirmation, check whether someone agree with us. Check whether someone agree with us. So positive and negative both statement. If the statement is positive, so we usually use a negative sentence, negative question tag. For example, he is honest. He is honest is the statement, positive statement. So we have to write isn't he, is not he. Okay, isn't he. They are late. It means are not. So if the statement is negative, so we have to use positive question tag. We need not go there. So need we. Need we. The train could not have left. Could it. Could it. I hope you are getting. So let's practice. So let's practice. Page number 4. Open your page number 4. Hamida can't whisper. Okay, match the statement. Hamida can't whisper, cannot. It means negative statement. So positive question tag, we have to add positive question tag. So where is Hamida? Hamida is a girl, so she. Can she is the first matching. They had been polite. They had not been polite. Okay, they had not been polite. It is negative statement. So positive question tag. Where is positive question tag? Had they. Now you have to complete these answers. Okay, and write in your notebook. So complete it. It's very easy. She looked very happy. She looked very happy. She looked very happy. It means it is a positive statement. So you have to write. You have to search negative question tag. Okay. So I should not have gone there. I should not have gone there. It means negative. So you have to complete. Now underline the correct question tag. Correct question tag next in next exercise. Now open your dictionary. Abbreviation. What is abbreviation? So today's word is abbreviation. The short form of something is an abbreviation. like GOVT is the abbreviation of government. Antonym हो जाएगा इसका full form, opposite word of this word full form, and synonym abridge, brief and compress. I think this is enough for today. Okay, goodbye.